Hey guys, are you looking for large capacity braising pans? Looking for fast heating boiling pan? Looking for energy saving tilting pan? Here it comes. This is our induction tilting braising pan with induction heating technology. Its efficiency up to 90%. Capacity max can be 300 liters. Lid with air support. Swing tap for water filling. 18 mm bottom thickness with multi-cooking function. Heat stowing, steak cooking, deep fries. There are two methods for quick unloading. You can open the front tab for discharge. You can also tilting the port for discharge. PLC interface with menu function for easy operation. You can set different cooking temperature setting, different power, different timer. For more products, please press us